Sales pros, you guys are going to love this. You're going to get a lot of use out of this. I just spent the morning shadowing a sales team, and although they were great, there's a major change that we can make here. I wrote down some of the exact things that they said word for word. I'm going to tell you them right now, and I'm going to see if you can spot the mistake that they made. Here's some direct quotes from them. We provide 24/7 support. We have a low price guarantee. We've been in business for 65 years. We're open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. What's wrong with all of that? It's a bunch of we statements. What does your customer have to benefit by you bragging about what we do, what we're all about? Now all I want you to do is I want you to think about switching the word we to you and think about the difference in what that prospect will hear. You will receive support 24/7. You will have the confidence that you receive the lowest price backed by our low price guarantee. You will benefit from working with a partner that has 65 years of experience working with people just like you. You can come in anytime from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Notice the psychological difference by simply switching those statements that begin with we or us to focusing them on the customer and using the term you. My name's Matt Easton. I'd love it if you consider subscribing to this channel for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.